This time check is brought to you by Trust Condoms. Pang family planning na abot kamay at abot kaya para sa lahat. Trust Condoms.
Sabaw pa lang kay daog na! Nor sinigang sa lamisa! Sabaw pa lang kay daog na! With Nor Sinigang Mix!
Nor Sinigang Mix. Sabaw pa lang kay daog na. With Nor Sinigang Mix.
Mga idol, samtang nagkaidaran, pwede sab nga manuya ang panglawas maong importante nga ligon ang resistensya og prime nga panglawas. Dapat didto ta sa masaligan. Ania ang Immune Pro Prime. Kini usa ka multivitamin nga adunay saktong kombinasyon sa vitamin C ug zinc ug karon with an added 1,000 IU of vitamin D3 tabang nga suportahan ang immune system ug makalikay sa mga sakit ug specific vitamin deficiencies dala sa pangindaron. Kauban ang proper diet ug exercise. 12 pesos and 25 centavos SRP per tablet lang. Price may vary. Immune Pro Prime, your prime protected. Ascorbic acid, vitamin C, plus zinc, plus cholecalciferol, vitamin D3 is the generic name of Immune Pro Prime. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Let's go! Go with the flow!
With Charmy Cottony Napkin for heavy flow, mas taas kaysa regular Charmy Pad aron likay sa leaks. Cottony soft with an absorbent top sheet, so girls can confidently
Go with the flow!
Charmy Cottony Napkin for heavy flow.
Charmy, let's go with the flow.
Lunchtime na, listeners! Gutom na rin ba kayo? Para masulit ang lunch break, deserve natin yung meal na nakakabusog. Ang craving ko ay yung napaka-crispy, napaka-juicy at napakalaki na Chicken McDo na ngayon. May bagong nakakabusog meals. Ang one-piece Chicken McDo ay may kasama ng choice of one-piece crispy chicken fillet o kaya one-piece mushroom pepper steak. May kasamang small drink pa for only starting at 158 pesos. Price varies. Dalawang ulam, tapos may drink in one meal, mapapa-tastify ka na napakasulit. Kaya tara, order na. Now available in McDonald's stores nationwide. Try it, taste it, and testify via dine-in, take-out, drive-thru, or macdelivery.com.ph. Promo runs from June 1, 2026 to September 19, 2026 per DTI. Fair Treat Permit Number FTEB-257576 Series of 2026.
Kitang mga laki, kayo jud kada adlaw. Bisan kapoy na, kaya huntanan. May nalang na ay bagong Revicon. Ang Strongman's Multivitamin na ay 5 times more muscle-building lysine versus previous formulation. Revicon, tabang aron masagad. Imo kausog with proper diet and exercise.
Unilab quality yan.
Multivitamins, minerals, amino acids is the generic name of Revicon. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
At first I was afraid. If toyo ang lasa, ang adobong ipakaon sa kong barkada. May nalang kakita ko og kalami sa tibok manok tungod sa kaya na yun na ako mag-adobo. And now I'm back. Luto ni mo na. Biti lang mi adobo good. Biti lang mi adobo good. Sangayin or luto na ako, they'll keep coming back again asking for more. Basta Nor imong luto na. Hey, hey.
Nor Chicken Cubes. Meaty sarap adobo. Kaya mong iluto yan with Nor Chicken Cubes. 6 pesos and 75 centavos SRP lang.
Maayong adlaw, makauban nato karon si Nanay Elena. Unsa man ang problema nimo kaniadto?
Ay, grabe, nakahanap sa akong mata. Naa daw ko'y katarata. Ingon sa doktor, murag na'y dag-umpirmi sa akong mata. Pero maayo na lang, kay nakadungog ko bahin sa iBerry. Gisulan ako, human sa 3 ka bulan, dako kaayong kausaban. Pag mata nako, murag kalit lang nilinaw, wala na ang dag-om.
Sulaypod ang bagong produkto iBerry Gold na adunay 10 mg lutein. Mapalit na sa mga farmasya duol nimo.
Mahalagang paalala, ang iBerry ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
When the radio plays one catchy song after another, that feels good, doesn't it? Almost as good as Salmon Credit Line, with up to 62 days of zero interest and no annual fee. So maybe it's a sign to treat yourself to something good. Download the app now. Salmon. Feels good.
Salmon Finance, powered by the Salmon app, serves as the online lending platform for Salmon Finance Incorporated, SEC. Registration number CS20191668, CA number 1241. Read the terms and conditions before availing of this loan product. We offer a grace period of up to 62 days on purchases made through QR, PH, or your linked Salmon card.
Ang Cebu Metropolitan Catholic Mass Media Awards. Best Radio Commentator, Best Newspaper Columnist, and Best Public Affairs Anchor. Attorney Rufil Fernandez Banyok sa Straight to the